Good day. Welcome to another lesson on mathematics. Today we are going to continue with exponents. We are going to do law number 3. We did law 1 and law 2. Today we want to do law number 3. Law number 3, it says a to the power of m to the power of n is equals to a to the power of m times n. We are saying we have got what is called a power of a power. What is inside the bracket here? We've got a power and we've got another power that is outside the bracket. Therefore, it is called a power of a power. When we have a power of a power, you multiply the powers. Remember, for law number 1, we said a to the power of m times a to the power of n is equals to a to the power of m plus n. When the base are the same, what do you do to the powers? When the base are the same and when you are multiplying, you add the powers. And law number 2, we said a to the power of m divided by a to the power of n is equals to a to the power of m minus n. When you are dividing and the base is the same, you subtract the power. But this time we are saying when we have got a power of a power, you multiply the what? The powers. Examples. Let's do examples for our law. Example number 1, e.g. 1, 2 to the power of 3 to the power of 2. Simplify. 2 to the power of 3 to the power of 2. We have got a power of a power. So the answer is equals to 2 to the power of 3 times 2, which is equals to 2 to the power of 6. That is number 1. Number 2, example number 2, 2 bracket x to the power of 3 to the power of 4. I want to show you the difference between number 2 and number 3. I'm going to do number 2 and number 3 together so that you understand. In the first one, which is number 2, 4 is not affecting 2. 4 is not affecting 2 because 2 is outside the bracket. And for number 3, 3 is affecting 2 because it is inside the bracket. Can you see the difference? Number 2, 4 is not affecting 2 because it is outside the bracket. And for number 3, 3 is affecting 2 because it is what? It is inside the bracket. So what do we do? For number 2, you are going to say you bring down 2 as it is because 4 is not affecting 2. So it means nothing is being down to 2. So you bring down as it is. Then you go on to say x to the power of 3 times 4 because we now have a power of a what? Of a power, which is equals to 2x to the power of 12, which is equals to 2x to the power of 12. But for number 3, we are saying that 3 the power is affecting 2. So 2 is going to be raised to the power of 3 because that 3 is affecting 2. And x, now we have got a power of a power. We have got to the power of 2 times 3. We have got to the power of 2 times 3, which is equals to, remember 2 to the power of 3 is not 2 times 3. It's 2 times 2 times 2. If you check the first lesson, we explained the meaning of exponents. It means 2 times 2 times 2, which is equals to 8. X to the power of what? To the power of 6. That is your number, your number 3. Example number 4, the last one. Example number 4. No, I'm going to do 4 and 5. A squared b to the power of 3 to the power of what? To the power of 3. We are saying a squared b to the power of 3 to the power of 3. The 3 that is outside is affecting both a and b. So it's going to be a to the power of 2 times 3 because it's a power of a power, and b to the power of 3 times 3 because it's also a what? A power of a power, which is equals to a to the power of 6, b to the power of 9. And the last one, number 5, x y squared to the power of what? To the power of 3. xy squared to the power of 3. Remember, I said last time when we were doing the first lesson, when there is no power here, it means there is 1, there is invisible 1. So you can put 1, which is equals to x to the power of 1 times 3 and y to the power of 2 times 3, which is equals to x to the power of 3, y to the power of 6. That is your answer. That is what your answer. So we are saying we have done law number 3, which is a power of a power. When we've got a power of a power, what do? You multiply. Then from there, I'm going to give you an activity. There is your activity. So what you are going to do, you pause the video, you do the activity. After you are done the activity, you carry on with the video. The answers are going to come. So there's the video, there's the activity. Pause the video, do the exercise. After you're done with the exercise, there is your answers. There are answers. You pause the video again, you mark yourself. After you mark yourself and you check your mistake, which one have you done wrong? Thank you for watching and enjoy your day.